Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your Highness of the Vegg'd Out Vegan Kitchen, owner and operator of the Cleaner Eating Cafe. And if you're unfamiliar, located inside of Urban Roots Garden Supply every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Operated in the faction of pickup only as of now. Well, first and foremost, I would like to hope that everyone out there is feeling good, or at least feeling safe. We're all experiencing what's going on right now with the global pandemic involving the COVID-19 virus. And just like many small businesses around the area and nationwide, we here at Vegg'd Out have been hit significantly economically. So for all the small business owners out there and just for everyone in general, hoping the best for you all, and we'll take it day by day and keep pressing forward. Well, we were thinking about health. We were thinking about how can we make the situation better. In results of the COVID-19 virus, we've decided to roll out a whole new product line here at Vegg'd Out, involving Irish sea moss and aloe vera gel drink. Let me give you a few insights of what's exactly going on with each of these items. First and foremost, aloe vera gel drink. Aloe vera is a natural indigenous plant that was reportedly originated out of Africa, but now you can find it worldwide. Aloe vera gel is very rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and also is one of the few plant sources where you can find a nice amount of vitamin B12. And I know a lot of vegans like to look into that and search out for that particular mineral. It is also slightly alkaline. It has antibacterial properties and also is a natural anti-inflammatory. It also boosts your immune system up. So this is something that you can actually scrape the gel out, blend it with water and drink it, and it gives you a natural immune system booster. Transitioning over now to Irish sea moss, or some people say Irish moss or sea moss. This is something I definitely know that the Rastafari has known for eons, drinking it in the islands and the Caribbean areas. But sea moss itself is very rich in non-hemoglobin iron, potassium iodide, potassium phosphate, and magnesium, as well as calcium and vitamin D. Also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Just like aloe vera gel is slightly alkaline, and it as well boosts your immune system naturally and gives your body an influx of nutrients. So this is aloe vera gel, and this is Irish sea moss. And here are some of the prices of what we're going to be selling it to the area. Pint or a quart. A pint is 16 fluid ounces, a quart is 32 fluid ounces. The aloe vera gel itself with water, a pint for $4. A quart, the price will be $6. The Irish sea moss, for a pint of that with the blended with the water, $6. For a quart of that, $10. And if you want that super boost up immunity system booster, we're going to have a blend of the aloe vera gel drink and the sea moss gel drink. A pint of that will be $5 and a quart of that will be $8. Now, due to the fact that we know that everyone has been hit with this as far as economically, and some people are hurting more than others, we're going to offer free delivery throughout the Bay Area, which we can deliver these at your residence or your workplace or wherever you're going to be at. We'll be rolling out the zip codes that we're covering the area, which covers under our umbrella of deliveries. If you would like to, you can also pick it up at the Cleaner Eating Cafe, once again located inside of Urban Roots Garden Supply, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, at least as of right now, at 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Of course, because the situation is changing by the day. So once again, we're rolling out that aloe vera gel and that sea moss gel. And I like to say, you got to give yourself the best chance. Don't slip on your health. Boost your immune system up. This is something that you probably should have been doing anyway. Well, this is a time, look at this as a renewal. Boosting your immune system up and going forward with this. Drinking this on an empty stomach early in the morning gets into your bloodstream a lot quicker, and it gets into your cells, and voila, it does its thing. So we're going to roll out more information on this online. Give thanks for a moment of your time. Once again, like I said, Vegg'd Out Vegan Kitchen now offering aloe vera gel drinks, also Irish sea moss drinks, with the purpose of boosting your immune system, all in the efforts of fighting the COVID-19 virus. Treat yourself well, take it seriously, boost your immune system up, and keep pushing forward. Give thanks for a moment of your time once again. Your Highness, Vegg'd Out Vegan Kitchen. Blessed.